Hello and welcome to day 2. This is Karen. How are you doing? So proud of you for making it this far on your journey, choosing you to put your oxygen mask on first. So proud of you for being here. Keep it simple, silly. You don't get drunk if you don't pick up a drink. Keep it simple. It's almost like such a profound idea. Oh, you don't get drunk if you don't pick up a drink. So avoid temptation. Avoid people, places, and things that remind you or will trigger you. Avoid those things. Replace those things with new things as far as your time goes. So you want to start breaking habits, creating new healthy routines. How can you occupy your time? You can go for a walk. You can take a class. You could journal. You could read a book. You could go to the bookstore. You could go to the gym, take a yoga class. You could actually hit a meeting in person or online. They're everywhere. They are everywhere. And if you don't like one, try another. And the reason why I suggest this is because you'll meet people that will also support you or might share your story. It'll be similar. So it will get you through. I actually did 90 meetings in 90 days, which I thought was a crazy concept, but it ended up working fully for me. That was my first part of my journey. And the second part was a real transformation. So I'm here to work with you on that transformation. If you are willing to try new things, to really tap into healing and really looking in the mirror, looking at, how you took part and played a role in your life and accept it. Forgive it. Because once you forgive yourself, forgiving others becomes a lot easier. So today, I welcome you to keep it simple. Keep it simple. Use people who are going to support you to get you through. And those that will not, that might tempt you, stay away. Put yourself in that pink bubble or bubble, whatever. Mine's pink, but yours might be whatever color. Put yourself in that and imagine it and protect it. Protect your safe space, your safe zone, and the life that you are creating for you right now. Thank you everybody for watching. Have a great, amazing day. And yes, you can. Say, I am doing it. I'm sober. I'm happy. I'm free. All right. Thanks for being here. Bye.